We're going to be completely transparent here with you guys. And so the initial reviews for the Speed Queens were scathing. I checked with the various YouTube and online reviews, and you would basically be an idiot to purchase a new model Speed Queen machine, because it was probably the most difficult decision for an appliance I've ever made. My parents have a legacy Speed Queen. Another friend of mine just purchased a TR7, and she said her husband Steve loves it. And I downloaded the user guide for both the washer and the dryer prior to my purchase, because I wanted to read, I wanted to fully understand how does this machine work. What pushed me into it was that I spent a week working with your tech support organization. They just gave me a confidence like I'm talking to a family member. Nobody was trying to push me into, our product's the best and this and that. After doing the research and now having owned the machine, I recognized that the competitors or the videos that are not being flattering to the machine, they are washing the laundry in a way that is not consistent with how the machine was designed to be used. They're drowning the clothes. Clothes are actually floating, and they're not doing as the machine is designed. The machine is designed to have a certain amount of water, a certain amount of friction within the clothes as they lay together. Similar to a front load machine, there's a friction that it dumps them over and it dumps them over. They're fully submerged, not drowning. And it works. That's all I can do is say it works. Looking at what the competitors are showing and having the knowledge and the education I have, I was able to recognize that what they're showing is not reality. And we made the decision to move forward with it, and we're very, very happy with it. If you were to take a tour of my house, you would find that just the wiring alone for the voice and data computer systems, all exact 90-degree turns. Things are to be engineered and they're to be proper. I just want to get the word out, because as I read all these other scathing reviews, and there needs to be something to counter that is accurate, honest feedback, and recognize that there are customers out there that have made this purchase and that they're very pleased with the product. And if you were to say, Scott, you could have your choice of the Legacy 2017 or the new TR7 2018, I'm going to pick the TR7. And the reason being is it is gentler on my clothes. They're the best washing machine and dryer I have owned in, I know, at least 2 decades.